Gardening tip, what to plant when grass won't grow. We'll see you after the break.
So most of us have spaces in our yard where we have lawn, but maybe we don't really need it. There's lots of alternatives you can use that will save water, save maintenance, and beautify your landscape. Consider a lawn alternative such as a ground cover that would actually give you that beautiful green and maybe even some flowers too. For shady areas, we like Turkish Veronica, which is what you see here. And that works great when you've got that part shade, and the purple blue flowers are amazing. Full sun areas, creeping thyme is your best bet. And again, that will all blend together nice and tight, and it can take light walking. Couldn't play soccer on it, but you certainly can use it as a lawn. And third, there's no-mow options as well. If you've got a deep shade area where lawn just simply can't grow, try a sedge grass, and then you'll never have to mow either.